Find x. 128 equals to 8 to the power 2x. This 128 we can write 2 to the power 7. And this 8 we have to make same base, it means 2. So 8 we can write 2 to the power 3 and times 2x. Now base are same, so we can write 7 equals to 3 times 2x, it means 6x. So our answer will be x equals to 7 by 6. This is improper fraction. We can write this one mixed fraction like 1 by 6, and this is our answer. Thank you. Find x. It's a very interesting math. 2 square to the power 0, 2 to the power 0 to the power 2 equals to 2 to the power 5x plus 5. We know a to the power 0 means 1, right? So 2 square to the power 0, ultimately this is 1, and 2 to the power 0 it means 1 square mean also 1, and here is 2 to the power 5x plus 5. So 1 divided 1 is a 1, but here is base 2, so we have to make similar base, therefore it's 2 to the power 0. We know a to the power 0 means 1, so 2 to the power 0 also 1, and here 2 to the power 5x plus 5. Now base are same, so power will be equal. 0 equals to 5x plus 5. So we can write 5x equals to minus 5. Now we can divide both sides by 5, so x equals to minus 1, and this is our answer. Thank you. Find x. Here is inside square root factorial 5 minus square root of 400 equals to 10 to the power 3x. So first square root, against this 5 we can write 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, then minus square root of 400, it means 20, right, equals to 10 to the power 3x. Okay, now 5 times 4 is a 20, 20 times 3 is a 60, 60 times 2 is a what? 120. 120 times 1 is a 120. So 120 minus 20 here square root equals to 10 to the power 3x. Now 120 minus 20 is 100, right? Square root equals to 10 to the power 3x. Square root of 100 is a 10 equals to 10 to the power 3x. Here 10 power is 1, right? So here is a similar base which is 10. So once base are same, that time power will be equal. So we can write 1 equals to 3x. Now x equals to 1 by 3. Very simple, and this is our answer. Thank you.